Welcome back. You can also set up a digital product on Shopify. And all you'll need to do is to go to your products area. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click Add Product. You'll then be brought to this screen and you're going to write in your title and description. You'll then upload your image. You're then going to determine your pricing. You can decide on whether you're going to determine a cost to this item, but in this case, since we're working with a digital product, we're not going to assign a cost. We are going to charge taxes. We can then write in a stock keeping unit. We're going to determine that we're not going to track inventory with this unit. We're also going to determine that this is not going to be a physical product, but it is going to be a digital product. Now we're going to leave this as Shopify as the fulfillment service. We're then going to click Save Product. Now what we're going to need in order to fulfill this purchase is we're going to need the Digital Downloads app. So we're going to go to the Apps area, and we're then going to visit the Shopify App Store. We're going to search for Digital Downloads, and we're going to see the free application. We're then going to add the application. We're then going to install the application. We're then going to click View Products. We're then going to go inside of our product. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the top area. We're going to click in Add Digital Attachment. Once you have this page, what you're then going to do is upload your file. And your download will then be automatically delivered upon payment from your customer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.